Hi everyone. Okay, so I subscribe to Felicity Jane. I have not done an unboxing of this company yet. And this is my third or fourth box that I've gotten. And I wanted to do the unboxing with you guys because I wanted you to see how cool this is. How cool the kit is. Ooh. So they had a special, ooh, wow, there's tons of stuff in here. They had a special Christmas package that you can buy. Oh, look at that was on there. Oh my gosh, look at, it's a little ornament. Let me see, hold on. There you go. That is so cute. I like that. So this, oh, looking to get a free gift. Aw, that's so neat. I love free gifts. So this is a little beautiful. You get a card. Thank you so much for your order. So she had a Christmas set and a regular monthly subscription. So, well, this might be a little difficult. Because what is Christmas and what is the kit? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. There's so much in here. So, okay, we'll figure it out. Okay, because the name of the kit, okay, see, what they do is this month's kit is called Amber. So every month there is a new name. I think last month was Hannah, I think. So that's how I'll know which one. So this is part of the Christmas kit. So let me take this stuff off. That way we can go through it together. Because that's pretty cool. Oh, and I love the plaid. Is it plaid? Yeah. Or gingham. So much fun, you guys. And then I'll show you what I've done with their kits. Because I don't scrapbook traditionally 12 by 12. So what I do is I cut it down to Traveler's Notebook standard dory size. So this was the album that came with the Christmas kit. I love the bag. Bag is awesome. And that's Bus, the English Bulldog. Okay, so this is cool. So it's a 6-ring binder. Look at how pretty it is. So pretty. I'm not sure what size this is. Oh, maybe it is a 9.5 by 10.5, I think. 9.5 by 10.5. Does it even have the sizes in here? I don't think so. That sounds about right? So that's the album. And then, yeah, okay, see, because the Christmas kit is called Holly, the regular kit is called Amber. So this was the special kit for Christmas. You had to purchase this one separately because they don't like doing, you know, a lot of companies don't incorporate Christmas into their monthly kits because not everyone celebrates. So that's cool. Mini puffy alphabet. I love that. It looks like typewriter keys. I love puffy stickers. They're like my favorite. The epoxy stickers. Can you guys see that? So cute. I love those. And then that goes over here. Oh, look at these. So these are vellum faux pockets. Oh, look at that. How neat. Love that. Okay, and then, oh, you get a stamp set. That is neat. Look at the stamp set. Oh, what fun. I like that. It's very pretty. Let me put that over there. You get little snowflake, little sequins. Oh, jeez, that was hard. Little houses. Oh my gosh, look at, some are chipboard and some look like they're resin. That's neat. And oh, I love these. Look at these. They're puffy word stickers. I love this. That is so nice. That goes to here. So felt stars. Oh, so cute. I like the grays too. That's really cool. And I love the ephemera that we get in this kit. The ephemera is just awesome. You get so much. You get numbers. They're in gold numbers. Oh, look at these. Glitter foam alphabet. Oh, and they even have numbers within. I love that. I love when the alphas have numbers with them. Then we get a little bag. I don't know if this came with the amber kit. Super nice too. Nice quality. And let's see. Then we get, oh, here's cardstock dividers. So you get all of that. So the pocket fold out. Oh, that's neat. That's gonna be fun. Oh, look, you even get page protectors. Oh, I love that. So you get page protectors. You get a good amount too. That's awesome. Oh, and then you get standard size dories. I love their inserts. Their inserts are pure white and they're really good quality. I really like their inserts. So, really fun. Okay, so I don't know if one goes to the amber kit or not, but these are washies. There we go. So, and let's see. Wow, we're still going. Oh my gosh, these are little, you know, the things that you find at the dollar store. The little things that open and you put the paper clip. Love that. They're trees. So you get cards. 3x4 cards. The most wonderful time of the year. These are on the thinner side. These are really, really thin. So they won't bulk up your inserts. Oh, pretty. And I believe every month it's a different girl too. I've only been with them for 3 months, I believe. So I don't know if there's any boys stuff or not. I don't know. And I pay for my kit every month, I believe $45 or $47. And these are one-sided. They're not double-sided. And I'm happy with that. I think this kit was the same. I'm not sure. So those are the 3x4 cards. Oh, look, you get gift tags. How cute is that? And then you get little sequins, red ones. Red sequins. These have to go there. And then you get a bag full of goodies. This is pretty cool. Oh wow, you can hear them. Whoops. So be careful opening them. Oh, look at all the little bells. That's awesome. Look at the bells. Oh my gosh, they're so cute and tiny. That's awesome. Okay, let me put that there. And then you get the twine. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at all this goodness. Love that. Oh, look at, that's so pretty. And then you get the paper. Now I'll show you what I do with my paper, because like I said, I don't do the traditional stuff. So, and their paper is double-sided. So you have that one, this one. I love this kit. This one was cool. The holly kit. Oh, look at Dear Santa sparkle. Ho, ho, ho. Oh, that's cute. They do a lot of black and white, which I like. I think every other side is a black and white sheet. Yeah. Oh, except for these. These are all, these ones are different. These are the only two that I believe have these on them. Okay, so that was the holly kit. Now let's hit our regular kit. This is what you get on our regular kit. So it's a little different for the embellishments. So this is wood veneers. And then chipboard ampersands. And then the die cut shapes. So cute. So cute. I love the puffy alphabet. You know what I like about this company too is that all their stuff is theirs. Like it's exclusive. And I like that. Because you know, I buy everything, pretty much all my stuff comes from Paper Issues, and that's, you know, companies, Fancy Pants and Doodlebug and all of them. And so everybody can buy the same thing, but with these kits, it's awesome because it's all different. And you always get a stamp set included. These are leaves. I like the big bold black sentiments. They're awesome. And then you also get a 3x4. I have a Cocoa Daisy unboxing to do after this one, and that one is also with the Christmas kit. So they're both big. So these videos might be a little extra long, so sorry. So much to be grateful for. Family, sorry for going fast, but I noticed how the time is really going by, and I want to show you my little creations. So this is what I do with my paper. So like I said, I cut them all down to standard dory size. All of them, because standard is standard, and you can always, from that, you can always cut them down smaller if needed. So that is why I cut them just immediately standard. So you have your black and whites. Let me move them over here. So later on, when I'm in my nook, I will cut these all down, and I love it all. I love on them. I've been really happy getting this kit, just like my Cocoa Daisy. I'm enjoying them. I feel like I can be creative with them, you know, so that's fun. Okay, so let me show you some of the, this is from Felicity Jane, and this one is from Felicity Jane. So you got the butterflies and the little, sorry, husband's working. So I did that. I sewed down the middle of them. And this one was also a kit from Felicity Jane. So, and then that was one of them. I mix and match, and I have a lot of albums going right now. This one was Felicity Jane, because I don't like staying with the same one, Felicity Jane. This was last month's kit, and I enjoyed it. Last month? I think it was last month's. So, but all of them have been really different, and I like that. But, so, that's one. I think there's another one. One more to show you, and then I'm done. And this was last month's kit, because I just did this one. So, hopefully it's not too bright. But I'm loving it. I really am. Okay, guys. So I will leave the link to Felicity Jane. They don't have a sign up incentive. So, yeah. So, okay, guys. Take care, and I hope you liked it. I did. I can't wait to sort it and play with it. So cut your paper down to standard dory size, and you will have plenty of fun. All right, guys. Take care. Bye.